Hello, my name's Derek Davidson and I wish you a warm welcome to my course Implementing Scrum and Avoiding Scrum Anti-Patterns. I'm a professional Scrum trainer, licensed and accredited by Scrum.org, and run my own independent Scrum training company, Turbo Scrum. This course follows on naturally from my prior courses in this learning path and will address some of the questions you might have now that you've finished learning about Scrum. Questions related both to implementing Scrum and how you can earn the Professional Scrum Master Level 1 certificate are covered. Some of the major topics we'll cover include identifying and mitigating common Scrum anti-patterns, a brief discourse on what is meant by Scrum at scale, a look at approaches for implementing agility in traditional organizations, and finally, tips for passing the PSM-1 assessment. By the end of this course, you'll have an appreciation of some of the challenges faced by new Scrum Masters, as well as advice on how to approach them. Before beginning this course, you'll benefit by having watched the prior courses in this learning path or having a good understanding of Scrum already. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to apply Scrum at an organization with the Implementing Scrum and Avoiding Scrum Anti-Patterns course at Pluralsight.